Hi, I'm Jennifer Reznick. I am the school nurse here at Cypress Woods Elementary School. Especially because this year and last year with COVID, healthcare has really taken such a forefront to the educational setting, and so it's incredibly touching that we were recognized.
Jen is amazing, just with 750 kids in an elementary school and trying to also meet their health needs. We have a wide range of health needs here at Cypress Woods, and she is running around this campus all day, supporting our students who've gotten hurt at PE, need medicine. She's popular on this campus. Everybody knows who Miss Jen is.
I love this job for a variety of reasons. I'm like the pizza guy. Nobody's ever sad to see the pizza guy. All the kids are always so happy to see me and they're ready to hug me, or even if they're not feeling well, they just need that little extra emotional love sometimes, and that's what drives you, even in the hard moments when it's broken bone or an emergency. It's all those little things that just get you through.